In this video, I will show you, step by step, how to install Dolby Atmos on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Dolby Atmos gives you 3D or spatial sound, which makes your music, movies and games sound more real and immersive. To get started, you need to install the Dolby Access app. Go to the Microsoft Store on your PC. In the search bar, type Dolby Access. Click on the app from the search results. Then click on the Get button to download and install it. Once it's installed, open the Dolby Access app. Click on Next, then click on Get Started. You will now begin a 7-day free trial. After the free trial, you can choose to buy it for around $15. Now, the app will detect your default audio device. You can see which device is selected on the screen. In my case, it has selected my headphones. With Dolby Access, you can enjoy the Dolby Atmos experience through any set of headphones. If you're using a different device, like a home theater system, a soundbar, or a TV, make sure it supports Dolby Atmos. For this tutorial, I will continue the setup using my headphones. The next screen will confirm that Dolby Atmos for headphones is ready to use. If you want to set up Dolby Atmos for your home theater or soundbar, click on the Home Theater option in the app. Click on Setup. Turn on your Dolby Atmos compatible home theater system or soundbar. Connect it to your PC using an HDMI cable. Then, just follow the instructions that appear on the screen. Right now, I don't have a Dolby Atmos compatible home theater system, so I will continue with my headphones. Now, we need to activate Dolby Atmos in the sound settings of Windows. To do this, open the Windows settings. Click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down and find the option called More Sound Settings. Click on it. This will open a new window called the Sound Control Panel. In the Playback tab, right-click on your default audio device. Click on Properties. Now, go to the Spatial Sound tab. In the drop-down menu, select Dolby Atmos for headphones. Click Apply and then OK to save the settings. Now, go back to the Dolby Access app. Click on Settings. Here, you can customize how your sound works. You will see preset sound modes like game, movie, music, and voice. Choose the one that matches what you are doing. If you want more control, you can also create your own custom equalizer settings. This helps you adjust the sound to match your personal taste. To test if Dolby Atmos is working, you can play a movie, a game, or any other sound on your computer. Or you can play a demo from the Dolby Access app. The demo will show you how 3D spatial sound feels. If you can hear sound moving around you, then Dolby Atmos is working correctly. Now, you are ready to enjoy Dolby Atmos on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.